Olivia and Molly's world. Molly just doesn't want to film at the minute. So where are you? Yeah, you're with your friends and your sister. So go and have some fun, kid. I think they're tired. You want to go on then?
Look, guys, it's so cool. Let's stop at one of the courses. Do we go in? Okay, Didi's gonna start us. Didi, make a way path for us. Come on. Whoa! Look to Didi. She's coming. Didi, I don't think I'll make it. We're climbing up. Didi, go down first. Whee! Now, just feel it. It's gonna be. That was difficult.
Really busy here now, guys. Ours have just put their shoes on and we're going, but this is it in its entirety. This tunnel. Very, very sweaty, tired children. What did you think then, Olivia?
Awesome, but I'm tired.
Go and get you some food, yeah? We're going to have a picnic, guys, then we're going on to our next adventure. So we're in Plantation now and we are doing a treasure hunt and a scavenger hunt. So Delilah, you were the same as 585 African land snails. Piranhas there. We found a tarantula, guys. A Mexican red knee tarantula. The first question is, what animal has 6 legs and doesn't fall in love? And it is an Indian stick insect because they're all female and they produce by making clones of themselves. Can't see any though. Oh wow! Fishies here, and there's a frog in the middle, and I think there's some turtles. Can you see any turtles? I can see one, guys. There he is. Do you see him? Oh, he's swimming. He's swimming at the back. So Olivia's already cracked on. Look, Olivia's got a meerkat sitting on her head. Oh no! Oh no! This one's hiding at the back, so you can just about see his tail. But there's a bearded dragon there, and a tortoise there. One over there. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 3 tortoises. Can you see them guys at home? There's one there, and one there. There's the meerkat from the other angle. There's 2 of them. Digging now. Oh, there he is. No, there's 2. There's another one at the back on the dome.
Oh yeah.
This meerkat should show me his bum. Oh, there we are. Girls, look how close the meerkat is.
Look at the meerkats, girls.
Scorpions in the desert.
Looks like Blossom's fur. Oh, Olivia's got a meerkat on her head.
Cat in his bum.
Molly's got a meerkat on her head.
Meerkat on.
The scents, these stinky, stinky scents, girls, what are they? Massive iguana in there. Can you see him on the top shelf?
Oh, he's moving his head.
Hello.
Hello.
Going up now, and there's some monkeys up ahead. Girls, have you seen the marmoset? Molly, can you see him?
Yeah.
Where is he? Molly, where's the marmoset?
Right, I've got.
There he is. Can you see him? And there's more on the bottom as well. So if you look into the distance, there's one in the pond at the bottom.
Oh yes.
And then, if I try and zoom in.
Oh look at that. That's the bird.
Is it a bird or a monkey? I can't tell. Yeah, it's a little monkey.
That's a bird.
Oh, at the bottom, in the pond. There he is. Oh, there we are. 2 of them. Where'd he go?
Look, it went on top.
So yeah, where's guys? We just spotted him. Can you see him, guys? He's having a little wash. So try and zoom in. Oh, he's having a wash. There's like a peacock or something over there. Oh, there's a big tortoise down there under the light, sunning himself.
Chilling.
So now you've got some venomous stuff, Molly. Carnivorous plants that eat people, or maybe just flies. I'm not sure what's going on in there. This is like a carnivorous plant sort of place. So these are angel trumpets, and they can cause disturbing hallucinations, paralysis, tachycardia, and memory loss, and be fatal. This one is a rosary bead, and are only dangerous when they are pierced or chewed, and a single seed can be fatal to both adults and children, so don't touch. Oh, Molly, snaky snakes.
Find him.
He's at the back, but there. Can you see him?
At the back, really orange and
2 spotted assassin heads. Rainbow, which is a big parrot, and then the girls are just kind of finishing their clues. You having fun?
poisonous stuff creeped me out and I did not like it. We missed number 8.
Crocodiles. See, there's one there. And then there should be another one somewhere. This is what this place looks like from the top. Our little crocodile friend. And we were over there earlier, that's where the entrance to the carnivorous plants is. That must be where Olivia and Molly and the gang were earlier. The one that Maia was really scared of when I brought her.
Green haiku of the rainforest.
Have we seen tigers?
Base monitor, a water monitor. Cockroaches there, Libs?
I remember seeing a massive one on the floor in Morocco and
Yeah.
a massive dead one on the floor in Morocco.
Yeah, gross. Delilah spotted really cool frogs. Listen to them.
Thanks for watching Olivia's World. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notifications to the little bell. Peace out for today.